Oftentimes you want to be able to evaluate whether a file exists in your working directory or in a workspace. And the easiest way to do that and write the data to Excel is using a table function. So I'm going to type in the exists Boolean, exists Boolean function, and we're going to go to the file exists bool. Now this is going to write to a table that we're creating in the previous instruction there. So my table is going to be where we write it to. And this is actually expecting a little bit more than just a file name and extension. So if we take a look at our document or our folder here, you'll notice that there are extensions in here. So if I type in spider.prt and say go ahead and do it, it's going to come back and say, well, no, I don't have that there. Well, in actuality, there is a spider.prt in there. What this command is looking for, though, is the fact that it has an extension. So if we say, does the first version of that file exist, then it'll come back and say yes. If we come back and say wildcard, any version of that file exists, it will scan that directory and come back and give us the answer. So in this particular case, we're getting, according to our request there, yes, it does have a version of that out there also. You could also use this for non-Creo files. So if we said I'm looking for anything that has XLS in it, and we run that, it'll say yes, the directory does have that file does exist within the working directory of Creo at that point in time.